Hi there, I am here for you. This is Munir Ahmad. You are watching my YouTube channel Baba Touch and Reviews. We starting my topic today. I first request you please subscribe my YouTube channel Baba Touch and Reviews and press the bell icon for more latest updates and videos. The topic is today how to trade Octafx. The Octafx is best trading site online earning. This site give you $1,000 for your experience to check your mind how to trade on Octafx. After you complete satisfy this site, then you buy dollars on Octafx and you can start and share your experience with your team. You create your team and earn money. This is very good site for trading. Who person can trade and have experience for this site is very good. If you have not experience, then the Octafx give you $1,000 for your experience. If you fail, you can reinstall your app for your more experience. If you have done your experience and hopeful for running, then you send your money on Octafx and trading. Thanks to my watching YouTube channel Baba Touch and Reviews.